Hey guys, what is up? Welcome to So Crypto, your home for Crypto TA. I am your host Martin, and in this episode we are gonna be talking about Bitcoin trying to move. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. If you're catching the replay and having suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. I really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news and technicals, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button and that bell. That way you will be notified when we go live. If you want to keep on chatting with us whenever the stream is done, join us on the Discord. Links have gone out. How's it going, guys? How's the weekend so far? It looks as though we're trying to get some moves on Bitcoin. Are we going to get them? Are we going to get those moves? Are we going to go higher? That's a pretty good question. Again, Bitcoin's going to try to move, right? Let's see what's in the house. Jeff, what's up? Steve says, it's Friday. Friday. And I'm drinking a beer. Nice. Cheers, my buddy Steve-O. Cheers, man. I'm drinking whiskey. So, good. Elon, what's up, dude? Jax's Rockets. Yo. Let's move over here where the magic little things happen. Yes, I was looking at Bitcoin. There was bearish divergence. It is starting to move us down. Talk about that once we get there. But let's go look at market cap. Right? What is happening with the market cap? Had a nice positive day. Again, came back down, right? Yesterday, tried to go back up. But again, we're just moving sideways. We're not really moving a lot on market cap. So we did manage to rally 1.93%. Right now, some indecision. Starting to go down 0.09%. But again, we still have the whole day to go. And it's going to be the weekend. So what can we expect for the weekend? Man, I'm not sure right now if it's going to be one of those weekends where we see price action to the downside, or one of those weekends where we see price action to the upside, and then we just pull back down on Sunday or Monday, because the volume is scrubbish. So we'll see. We're going to try to address that right as long as we get to Bitcoin. But for now, sideways motion. We've just been consolidating sideways here on total market cap. Sold at 32.29. Nothing here that is bullish. And let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin. What are you preparing for war? Did Dragon? Yeah, Dragon. How's it going, dude? Bitcoin 37,611. $37,000, 611, right? So not bad, not bad. Again, coming down lower. Nothing bullish. We already established that. Flagging slightly upwards, rejecting near 38,314. We did get close to that. Again, 38,022 rejection right now, starting to move down. Again, all this after that moving down is upsloping consolidation. That usually tends to break us back down. That's why I'm a little bit worried about the market potentially dropping again, right? We're not having a lot of strength in the move. We haven't gotten above that 38,000. We haven't gotten above the 20 moving average. We've just been scrubbishly moving sideways, more or less. Slightly upsloping. Sitting sold at 34.91. And here on this chart, we are above that 37,000 resistance, right? We finally managed to, after a lot of days, break above it and close above it, but we need to get confirmation. Now, you're going to say, Martin, what is confirmation? Confirmation means that today also has to close above that target. Otherwise, could be looking for a reversal. But being that it's going to be the weekend and the volume might not be there, even if we close above, I would rather wait for Monday confirmation that we are going to be above these levels, right? Because Monday could bring a reversal, or Sunday night, right? So again, above 37,393. Market, not the strongest. Sold at 34.95. Nothing bullish. Again, slightly upsloping consolidation. And we're going to see what's going to happen there once we get to the shorter time scales. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. On the 4-hour, we are above the 20, which is pretty good. We haven't made negative momentum. Again, we're about to probably make it. We're not having the strongest moves. Slowly moving up, right? Coming from a high point to a lower point on the price, or expensive, less expensive, or cheaper, we should say. And high to low on the MACD, so positive momentum, less positive momentum, and high to low on the hour size. So nothing bearish right now. Neutral at 55.33, still moving sideways. Now, if we do move higher and move above that 38,000, first thing I'm going to be looking for is bearish divergence. That is going to start building. Why is that? Well, we're going to be going higher here on the price, right? So coming up higher here on the price. And we're still going to be coming down lower on that MACD and on the hour side. And that's going to be putting pressure on the price. And we are not the strongest right now. So the way the market has been feeling, any kind of bearish divergence could be amplified. And we could still be getting more action to the downside still. All right, but there's nothing bearish or bullish right now. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour chart, there is stuff that is happening. And I'm going to chart it here, although I had it already on the other chart I was looking at for Bitcoin, right? And I was looking at the one where we have all our supports and resistances. The reason for that is, I was looking at see where Bitcoin was going to go. So hitting bullish, getting the pop, going higher than the previous high, which is pretty good, right? That to there is fine, but here is where the problem lies. We are starting again to come from a high point, lower point. Even here on this chart, that is proper. High to low, right? Positive momentum, less positive momentum. We don't have it on the RSI. We're going higher. But against the MACD, we are creating strong bearish divergence. So we should be waiting for action to the downside. We did get a small dip. Not the strongest dip, but some small dip happening. If that is the case, again, we're looking for a potential area of 37,113. That's the area we're going to be testing as potential support. It's potential moving down. Again, neutral, 58.23. Not super high on that sold or bought scale. Right now on the RSI, but we're just neutral. About to go on the bot area. Again, like I said, the volume of the weekend could be upsloping still, and all this is going to be upsloping. Is it starting a new trend? On the 1 hour, it would seem that we're starting a new trend, right? An upsloping trend, but we still have to wait until we get this on a larger time scale. Again, here, low, high, higher low, but we're not making yet a higher high than this previous high here, right? So we need to go higher still. And then, I mean, like I said, we're going to have that bearish divergence, probably going to break us down. But if we manage to sustain above this low here, again, we'll be setting up a new uptrend, right? And that could be good. That could start to break us from this downwards motion market. On the daily, there's still a lot to be done. I mean, we just made the low. We need to make a high. So we need to get higher than this previous high here at 43,900. Once we get there, we need to come back down again, stay higher than the previous low, and then go higher and higher and higher, and just going higher and higher. So we start a new trend, but we're not there yet. So it's still anyone's game. So here, again, got above that 37,393 right now, bearish. So we could be coming back down here for support. And if we break that area, we're looking for the 20 moving average at 37,127. So what's happening here on this chart? Again, look. Again, we were high at that 50% retrace, came back down, broke that 382, almost supported at the 236, bounce, hit that 382, came back down to support. Now we finally broke this area here, here as well. Now we're coming up here to almost resistance, right, at 38,221, which is again another resistance that we must break. So there's a couple of resistances to the upside, right? And we need to start breaking them. Otherwise, it's not going to be good, man, right? It shows weakness. If market detects weakness, we're going to get another sell-off, right? That's how it is. If the bears detect a whiff of bearishness or weakness, we'll get another sell-off. Again, here in Ethereum, we were looking for some bullish divergence. We didn't quite get it. I'm going to have to actually zoom in here on the price quite a bit and get a proper read. I'm not sure if we actually got this, but no, we're going higher. But we had bullish divergence at some point in time throughout the day, right? And that's why that we were anchoring down here, but we no longer have it. So again, we're looking for potential for action to the upside. We got our action to the upside, which is good. Ethereum managed to pump very, very nicely, 5%. Still haven't gone in back on Ethereum, and that is my entry, 2,500. I should have gotten in before that. I lost this 5%. I probably should have played it in the market and just bought back in. I had a busy day today. No excuse. I set up alerts. They did trigger when we got to 2,500. I was just busy and I didn't get back into the market. And I'm not sure if this is the rally that's going to get us to go higher yet. So, you know, even if I miss on this small amount here rally, I get back in. I'm still going to make good money on it. And that is what it's all about, right? So is my position going to be the same? Well, maybe a slightly couple percentage points of Ethereum less that I'm going to buy. I'm still going to be getting good returns. Right, so about to get across the MACD and the signal line. That could be a bullish move. I don't remember if we saw that for Bitcoin. Let's go back here real quick. Yeah, we're just getting that cross on Bitcoin. This could lead us to some bullishness, but we are below 200 moving average. So we know the MACD strategy tells us that we must be above the 200 moving average for this to play out with strength. So could get us to the upside. Might underplay though, because the market is bearish. So again, starting to rally here in Ethereum, doing okay. We could come back down. Nothing to worry about yet. 32.58 on the RSI. That means we're sold. Should be waiting for some potential move up. Again, high to low, positive momentum, less positive momentum in here. I think we might be creating some hidden divergence. I'm gonna have to zoom in here. No, we're still coming in lower. So it's all good here. right? Nothing bullish, nothing bearish. Neutral at 55.23. Let's go to the 1 hour chart, man. In the 1 hour, we broke, right? The wedge-ish thing that we said to the upside. So we broke it to the upside. Great. When did we break that? Yesterday. All right, so we're here at 8 p.m. Getting that break. Look at that. Using it as support. Popping. Good stuff, right? We drew this yesterday. Good call. Good call. You're playing this again on a break. You're looking for a measure move. We should be looking for 2,693. I'm not sure we're going to get there, man. It is a pretty good move, but we're going to find resistance at 2,620. And if Bitcoin does go down, we could go down. If Bitcoin still stagnates, Ethereum might take advantage of that and rally to this level. Then see what's going to happen there. But for now, it is cool. The 1 hour doesn't have anything bearish, right? We're coming up higher with more positive momentum and higher on the hour side, so it's good. And also, we didn't create anything here that was bullish. So we just broke out of this area and we're going for the measure move, which again is fine. That is what we're supposed to do once we get a breakout. So doing okay on Ethereum. Not bad, right? Not bad. H&T pumping 4.52%. Let's get that daily. Look, nice rally, hit the 20, rejecting right now. Still above the previous 100% highs, which is fine. Previous 100% high, I'm talking about this one back here, right? So we're above this other target, but we need to get above that area. And I probably should just refib this. You know, I was really trying to hope if we're going to go higher, but we did get to our 4618, very, very close to it. So again, very, very good fibs here. And what I'll be doing here is going low to high, right? So I'll be going from the low to the high point and see where we go. So we are breaking below at 236. Sorry, that 786. And we are going back up, hitting that 20 and also rejected that 618. So yeah, good fibs. Good. Again, not a lot going on here. That is bullish. Nothing going on here. That is bearish. Neutral at 45.51. Right. The 4 hour Jake's horse in the last. Yeah. Bullish divergence action to the upside. Starting to get the pop. Again, nothing going on here. That is bullish. We're trying to get above the 20 moving average, which is. And neutral at 57.66. Let's go to the 1 hour. Bearish divergence. Moving down on that. Boom. That's it. We are coming lower, creating some bullish divergence. Some of that bullish divergence we'll love. Can I have milk with my bullish divergence? It's like cereal. Starting to go up, right? Getting above that 20, which is pretty good. Again, we could be looking for a rally here on HNT, and that would be fairly awesome if we get one. Let's go check out ADA at $1.04. Man, ADA. Stable coin ADA. Again, flirting with this previous low, right? Right on it right now. 1.04. Bullish divergence, still failing to play off. Sold at 39.72. Man, it's just a lot. Again, divergence, bearish. Moving sideways, below the 20, below 1.04 cents, right? 1.0448. Yeah, so one still fraction. Nothing bullish or bearish. Neutral at 47.68. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, bullish divergence action. The upside getting the pop. Going up again. Here we're coming slightly higher, man. Here we're also coming slightly higher and slightly higher. There's nothing bearish. We're just failing, man, at ADA. It's failing to play out. It's just painful to see ADA at this levels. Guys, it was almost tradition that every Friday night we're doing poker. I'm not gonna be able to do it tonight. There's stuff I need to get and to do. I'm not gonna be able to play tonight. If y'all want to play, that's fine. You can arrange a game. I'm not gonna be able to play tonight. And next Friday, there's probably not gonna be a stream. I said I'm going on vacation from Saturday the 5th all the way out to I come back on the 13th. But I leave on the 5th at very early hours. I think I need to leave the house at 3 in the morning or so. So I'm not gonna be doing a stream. I do gotta get some rest before. It's gonna be a full day of traveling. Wake up super early. There's a lot of things I need to do. So, you know, I am probably gonna go and not do a stream on Friday just because I do need to get some rest. So next week, the last stream we're gonna have is gonna be Thursday, right? And then I'm on for a whole week and a couple of days, and then I'll be back. So appreciate your patience waiting for me while I come back. And you know, if I'm not gonna be, I'm gonna be trying not to look at the market much. I do gotta get some break from market of some sort, but you know, we'll see. Unless there's something like going wild and I get alerts of Bitcoin dropping or pumping like crazy, I'm not gonna be able to go live with this setup. I'm not going to be taking my laptop, right? I'm going to be, right? Front Force is working on margin stuff, all right? I'm not going to be taking my laptop, so if I do anything, it's going to be with my cell phone. And I'm not sure for how long it's going to go. I might just jump in, talk about what the market is, where it could be going, and that's it. I might be doing something on Discord like we've done in the past, send pictures, and then just do it like that. But we'll see. We'll see. Jax is going to fill the spot with crypto and chill. That's fine. It's all good. So, what else is happening, man? By the way, Jake, I'm not getting alerts when you go live, so that's weird. Do post on the Discord that you go live. That way I might be able to go and watch you when you stream. If you have been streaming. If you haven't been streaming, then that's why I haven't gotten them. Some coins are trying to move. Let's go check out Shiv real quick, right? Where's Shiv at? We're also going to check the dollar index here in a second, right? We know the dollar has been going crazy high, man. Shiv coming back down. I know, 0.33% to downside. Oh my goodness, we're not really doing a lot. Sideways motion below that 76. I would be waiting here for a break above that 76. It could lead us to a quick rally to that 20 moving average, and that's going to get us to 2,596. That's going to be some good points upside, right? Like maybe 10-15% rally there on that move. Again, a lot of pressure building here once we break. It's going to be good. Not bad, man. Not bad. Let's look at the dollar index. The Dixie. $97.21. All right, coming up higher, more positive momentum. Yep, and the high and lower. All right, there is bearish divergence. There's hope that the dollar might go down next week. Now, why is that? Because there is bearish divergence, and we had a possibility for action to the downside. Oh, look at that. It's just against the other side, not against the MACD. The MACD were fine. Went higher still, right? So that's good. So on the weekly, man, how's the dollar doing on the weekly? Look for bearish to down, support, pump. Again, on that pump, we did get a break here. It's tiny, but from here to here, we're also starting to create bearish divergence. So we're having bearish divergence on the weekly. It could play off. It could play off. We might start to see some action to downside coming in, right? See the dollar weakening a little bit against the basket of currencies that it's trading against. Wouldn't be weird. Wouldn't be weird if we see the dollar going down a bit. It has got a really strong move to the upside. I think a lot of it is going to depend on what happens with the markets, right? Like what's happening with stocks and things like that, and how people are perceiving the strength of the dollar, basically, right? Or you know, U.S. in general, I guess. This rally that we're getting could also be from the geopolitical tension that we're seeing between Russia and the U.S., right? So again, dollar strengthening on, you know, the fact that there could be sanctions coming in for Russia. They try to get into the Ukraine, right? Yeah, that could be one of the reasons that we see the dollar strengthen. I wonder if gold and silver are doing something, right? Gold below 1,800, not bad. Breaking below 20, moving down. All right, not really a lot going on. Bearish divergence? Nope. Let's see here. Yep, bearish divergence from here to here. Let's get this out of the weekly and get it here as well. So bearish divergence, strong potential for action downside, taking that break. Not against the other side, just against the MACD, right? With the Bitcoin hold, with the dollar going up, I'm not sure, man. Usually when the dollar goes up, stocks tend to go down a bit, and Bitcoin tends to go down with it. We'll see. We'll see. Again, uncertainty in the market will get funny things happening. All right, so we'll see. Yo, man, what else? What else is going on here, man? I'm trying to see if there's anything like pumping like crazy that we should look at. Riot moved up 9%. That's pretty wild for a stock. Had bullish divergence, right? sorta. It's kind of like a break there, but yeah, bullish divergence section upside. We could be going for a rally. Pot. What is pot coin? Oh, some weird project. OMG, guys, is up 2.69%. Going to the upside again. Nothing bullish. Neutral at 41.38. Let's go to the 4-hour, man. Yeah. On a bad day, Bitcoin follows the S&P. Yes, you're correct, my friend. S&P, Dow Jones, they all tend to move somewhat similar when we have this market conditions. So yeah, I think it'll follow any kind of stock market, any kind of stock or index. Bought at 62.40 again. Bearish divergence potential for moving down. Could be dropping to a 20 moving average. $4.34. Let's go to the 1 hour. Coming up higher here, right? Here on the 1 hour chart. And then lower here, so how easy go. Bought it, overbought it's in 1.35. Again, bearish divergence, strong potential for a movement down, right? Like, we're not getting a lot of movement still. Yes, we did move up a bit. Some projects are moving. A lot of the market is just stagnating. We're not getting a lot of moves. Again, the weekend, just gonna go back to Bitcoin. The weekend could have us pump a little bit more. We'll see. Again, right now, this hour, not getting the strongest move, right? We're not getting the strongest move. So we will see how this goes, right? And dropping on the last hour right now. Try to recover, coming back down. Not the strongest, like I said, right? If we do go down on the bearish divergence, we're aiming for the 20 moving average at 37,131. And it's going to be Bitcoin below its target price, right? We might try to find support there at 37,293. So just keep these areas in mind. Holding support and starting to bounce could lead us to where we go to 39,291. That would be a freaking awesome area for Bitcoin to go to, particularly if we confirm being above that 37,393. Breaking back below it, though, like we could do here in the 4 hour, break back below it, that will break us back down in the daily. We'll basically be negating that area. And again, upsloping consolidation tends to break back down, right? Down, upsloping, coming down. Right, anything that is upsloping tends to break back down. So we shall see how the corn is going to do, man. Back to Ethereum real quick. I just want to see where it's at. How strong is Ethereum looking? Not strong. It's dropping more than Bitcoin, right? It's 0.62%. So again, starting to go on the red on the daily. Could be going back below 1,500. Again, like I said, I'm not sure yet the move is going to be as strong as it could right now. So I'm waiting a bit here to get back into the market, right? So I think that's going to be it for tonight, guys. We're going to be calling it an early stream. It's been a super long day. Yesterday was a long day for me. I had a lot of work today. Again, conference, a lot of work still pending to do. I think I'm going to be working tomorrow as well. So, yeah, I'm a bit tired, but it's good. You know, the market's not moving a lot. You know, we are getting, some downwards motion. We explain why we could go down a bit more. We're also going to be looking for potential bounces on the weekend. We'll see if the weekend leads us to a bigger rally. I think for now, we've covered most of the topics that we were meant to cover, right? Praying for horses, he was tired yesterday. Again, if you enjoy the content here at the channel, make sure you hit the like, the bell, and the sub. Join us in the Discord. Links have gone out. Right? This is So Crypto. I'm your host, Martin. Again, a pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Friday night. Remember, all the information that we provide here is for entertainment and educational purpose only. Please don't trade based on what you see here. We're just discussing ideas. This is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. I hate to end streams early, but there's stuff I need to do. Next week is going to be brutal for me as well. I will be coming live. I'll try to make the streams go for about an hour, but there's so much stuff I need to leave ready for when I go on vacations that I just need to finish so many things on the week and make sure I'm leaving everything because I don't want to be bothered while I'm on vacation, right? I'm unfortunately I'm in a good position in the company where I get bothered a lot because there's a lot of things that have to go through me. But I kind of hate it because when I go on vacation, that means I have to still be attending things, so I never get to fully disconnect. This time I'm not gonna be taking my work laptop, which is good. but I still have to take my work phone, and I still might get bugged on the phone, so who knows. But we'll see how things go. But the week's gonna be fine. I'm trying to not get bothered. I think around. So thank you very much for being here, guys. That's it for tonight. Again, short stream. Thank you for joining me, and I'll catch you again tomorrow for another edition of Sir Crypto tomorrow. Full on stream. Guys, thank you very much for watching. Until then.